also her first solo performance. Okay? She is a solo gamer idol. She is starting her journey as a solo performer with a controller in one hand and a microphone in the other. She brings a colorful blend of warmth, charm, and passion to the stage. Her performances are inspired by K-pop, J-pop, and C-pop, promising a unique fusion of music and energy that will make your heart skip a bit, like a critical hit in a game. So whether she's singing, dancing, or streaming, this beautiful is a dreamer, and she's ready to spread happiness, inspire joy, and shine brightly like the star in the night sky. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her solo performance. We have Shua.
Give me a little bit of that. あなたしか見えない。Give me a little bit of that. ドキドキしちゃうわ。赤なも顔、胸の中も思い通りにいかないの。Give me a little bit of that. 一握りの砂。Give me a little bit of that. のよまるであなたは手強いほど惹かれるもっと思い通りにいかないの。私の吐息を感じてほしい。見つめていても missing you。だから won't you set me free。Baby もっとぎゅっと強くずっと抱きしめて何もいらないの。素直になキスをしてほしい。最後の愛のよ。最後のよ。最後のよ。最後の夜のよ。Love。最後のよ。最後のよ。明日たくないよ。Love。I'm a fire love, baby. You can finna catch me. Give you all of this, baby. Call me pretty and nasty. Cause we gonna get it, my love. You can bet it on black. We gon' double the stack on them. I'll be the bunny and you be my Clyde. We ride or die. X's and O's. 時間が過ぎても焦る今だにあなたが全てよ missing you。だから won't you set me free。Baby の時を強くずっと抱きしめて何もいらないの。素直になキスをしてほしい。最後の愛のよ。最後のよ。最後のよ。最後の夜のよ。Love。最後のよ。最後のよ。明日たくないよ。Love。One, two, three から始めるわ。決して後ろ振り向かないわ。私のすべてを受け止めてよ。誰にも騙させないわ。Like pink in your area. Like pink in your baby もっとぎゅっと強くずっと抱きしめて何もいらないの。素直になキスをしてほしい。最後の愛のよ。最後のよ。最後のよ。最後の夜のよ。 So don't play with me, boy. Oh no, 今さら引き返せないの。もはや単なる遊びじゃないの。Got me fired up, we're burning. I don't need the water, can't stop, it's urgent. I ain't never had nobody do it better, but oh no, you're bad, meaning bad, but boy, I'm loco. Showing up, let's smoke 'em out. Max, scratch, light up. Kiss him while I diss him, I don't know, but I miss him. Flame in my vein, this love is like crack. Can you feel my heart go black? 震える恋心は On and on and on 眩しい炎の渦に落ちたいの look at me now 君のせいだよやけどしちゃう消せないこの恋は pretend My love is on fire Now burn baby burn More than love My love is on fire So don't play with me boy More than love もう抑えられないもうスピードで広がる日ね止めないでよ愛になるまで焼き尽くして
So, hello everyone, I'm Shua. Gustuhan niyo po ba? Ang dami pala ditong blinks. Hello, blinks. So, yeah. Sana all afford yung concert. So, for my last song, ito yung pinaka-favorite nating lahat noon, lalo na nung pandemic. Sobrang nostalgic to sa akin kasi dito rin ako first dati nag-debut as solo K-pop coverist sa YouTube. So, this is my last song. So, this is so special to me kaya nilagay ko siya sa last. And also, may booth po kami there. Baka want you dumaan. Mura lang yung photo cards. Yun lang, inihingal ako.
Kaya yan. Okay.
Let's go.
So, pwede ba nating ibigay ang ating loudest clap and cheer?
Yeah.
Okay, for Shua para sa kanyang last song. Pwede tayong makisayaw. Everybody up!
由して受け取るから試せないでそんな笑顔で私だってまた口だってなんで冷たいお言葉待ってるのそれなのに隣にじゃ迷うだけ悩むだけ無理だって無理だって無理だってバレちゃってそう諦めたいでもできないどうして Baby tell me why 気づかないまま探してる君には言えない言葉時間ばっか過ぎてくまま友達じゃ嫌なのどうしよう特別だった Baby you 今さら気持ちごまかせない You 気づかないまま落ちていく誰にも言えない Baby 時間ばっか過ぎてくまま友達じゃいられないお願いよ
Talagang save the best for last. That was such an amazing performance. Palakpakan po natin si Shua. Can we have one microphone for her? Ayan, ang galing-galing mo naman. Talagang small but terrible. So, she is a solo gamer idol na nagsistart pa lang. So, when we say nag-start pa lang, ano to, last week lang? Charot. Kailan ka when did you launch this cosplay or performer na
Nag-start ako mag-cosplay way back 2022. Nag-closet cosplay lang, parang low cost. Then, I started performing nung nasa 2024 lang. Kasi karoon ng pandemic, so sanay lang ako sa dance cover.
Alright, 2024, that's practically last year lang.
Yes.
Okay. But have you always envisioned yourself performing in front of an audience? Nakita mo ba yun sa sarili mo?
Actually, nung una, no. Kasi, syempre, nakakakaba and hindi rin ako sanay sa sobrang raming crowd. And sanay lang ako na alone kasi cover nga. So, ako rin yung set up ng sarili kong choreos and ng cover. So, pero now, every time na nag-perform ako, the more na nai-embrace ko siya and the more na nai-inspire pa ako lalo and doing my best more day by day.
O, diba? So, nung una, shy. Diba?
Shy type.
Oo, kumbaga, camera lang, ganyan, para lang sa sarili. Can you just imagine? So, how does it feel? May mga nakikising along and dance along with you.
Yes, I'm so happy rin na may nakakaalala pa rin itong iconic dance na to noon.
Of course. Ayan, so, saan ka na nag-perform, Shua? Saan ka na nakapag-perform?
My first performance with Hoshizora is yung sa Red Cloud Naruto Day. Doon siya sa Okada, Manila. And nung time na yun, sobrang kabang-kaba ko kasi first time ko yung magkaroon ng group.
Oo naman, first, tapos
Yes.
Okada.
Oo, sobrang daming tao. And my second is last September or October. Last year lang rin. So,
Last year lang. So far, ano yung pinaka-favorite mong na cosplay?
Cosplay. For now, it's actually my dream cause since 2019. Since she's really my main hero siya sa MLBB, which is 1-1. So,
1-1, do you
Yeah.
know that character?
yeah, 1-1. Second to the hardest marksman in Mobile Legends.
So, do you see yourself doing this kind of art form in the next, sabihin na nating 10 years, 15 years?
I think, hindi ko pa sure, pero more, I will do my best to perform better and maka-perform pa more. Kasi I'm really happy na today kasi ang dami nakasing along.
Diba? Yun naman ang napaka-importante.
Sobrang ano ko sa crowd.
As long as you're happy doing it,
Yes.
lalong nabuboost yung ating confidence. So, first and foremost, congratulations for giving us one of the best stage at the Waifu Fest. And best of luck sa mga susunod mo pang mga events.
Thank you so
Let's
much,
give it
Jen.
up to Shua, ladies and gentlemen.